mbabu atimanga na gwanjereria mbabu atimanga na ariyo kobiza gose yoko kenga ni yoko menderania ebago soki kerororo
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi.
Mancho murigeria Nsoko TV na gokwandri andonsi asore mbiyamo na soko choregeta seni kiago Nsoko TV ene mesa ya mayakuru Nsoko ensa emo asobutko begabwe 25 na kabiro motinyu 10 mwaka bwechiri bubere 25 na isano nchenkuru kwa Clinton ndigi karibu sana karansoke osange na nche kurbono wika omoira sekeribu na mesa ya mayakuru Nsoko ensa emo achakirebo. Karibu sana mwancho murigeria wono togo chaka na robot liko bwatekana nechi semie karamate mwa manene alia kepsea KJC na boy KCSE achaka bene litkoria lero imeye county ya Kisii ni kwa mkonyi bomo county commissioner Bworogongo Rwe sub county ya Kisii Central Joseph Mwangi amo nabo bisabe chisemi baraire hokwena no kwa matemwayo gochiase abari mwa banebe chiskuru au okwana nabali kyamangana Joseph Mwangi aene kirebuna ni goborendi obotindi borache kobe kwa herio gukora oboiberi bwa matemu aniga gocha hekero mwaziri wechiseme Moske Julius Migosi Ogamba abekire tene ni buna osabeka tene ni tukuria Jumamosi buna onde bwensi orache ko yasona no weberi obwo ni garache ko imokeri gwa hegetambo kerege tindi keri chiko Bethwel Machini agotumanya senchera wikirana
Ekera matema manene yekiredigia gatano nomo na kerigia kianda na boigo KCSE acha kabene ritko riarero Nigobono okobori kwa rure kuchasi abarimu abaibiri na boiga borokiwa wotesonani no boibiri wa matema yo.
We don't want any teacher to have a phone. All phones should be collected, locked in a locker and guarded by a police officer. So we don't want to fight any teacher having a phone in the exam room. We have told them, as much as we have reduced the level of the police surveillance, that does not guarantee them to do fishy things. So we are going to go to the station to ensure that as we monitor that everything that exam entails, that level of keenness is observed by all of them.
Gukwana maiga yoko igora na boigo kwena na matema igo cha chiskuru nigomo deputy county commissioner Bworogongo Rwa Kisii Central Joseph Mwangi anyakabaga kwenekea nigemeroberia bekirwe nsemo kwenekyo borendi botindi ngotingi ngobore asa matema yo.
Today was the beginning of the KPSEA and KJSEA examination. So we opened the container in our usual time of 6 a.m. after literal briefing by all the stakeholders, and we issued exams to 78 public primary schools and 14 private schools. All of them, they have carried the exam. As you can see, the buses are leaving. Deployment is very okay. You can see police officers here. They are well briefed and they are ready for the task. So all exams have been dispersed. No center has missed the exam. They are now headed to school to start the exam. Shortly we are going to issue for the KCSE practicals, and thereafter we are going to go for monitoring with my sub-county director and my security committee.
Ayagocha ekero mwaziri bwechiseme Moske Julius Migosi Ogamba anyakabaga kobeka teneni na boiberi bwa matemo abyo taguchikonya kabaga kwenekiwa asonde bwensi urachi konya kabaga kobwa twara imukeri wege tambukeri tindi korengana nerichiko.
Watoto wetu wameanza kufanya mtihani wa 2025. Watoto wote wale wanafanya mtihani Kenya hii kutoka primary, kutoka junior school kuingia form 4 wote ni 3.4 na naomba muache watoto wafanye exams kwa sababu they have been properly prepared, na ile grade mtoto atapata ndio yake. Ndio vile tunataka kama serikali, ile grade mtoto atapata tutapangia huyo mtoto kufanya maneno ingine hata kama grade yake ni ya chini. Na ukipatikana ukiengage in any malpractice or irregularity, kwa sababu tumeelezea watu vile inatakana kufanywa, sheria itachukua mkondo yake na utafungwa.
Niko bono okuborirwa kwa rurego cha sababu watani bonsi ya sekta yechisemi kweneking amatemu ayo ngocharago nyakabaga okorekana sinchirenkia. Kuripoteria Ensoko TV kure county ya Kisii, Chempethuel Machin.
Tukuska bosio mwanchu murigeria se county ya Nyamira mo county commissioner we county yo Erastus Mbui amano motendri wechisemi county ya Nyamira Joshua Kaga negati ya batendri bandi wechisemi nigoritukoria rero baigora hamatemu ayo chinsa 12 chamambi asamaga chamanene hase county yo kagukwana na barai bose abari mo county commissioner Erastus Mbui nigatebirenga abanyanyimbo nigo barachie kurenda matemu akepsea na KJSea ase kurende haya KCSE okana arachikonekeri woburendi obotindi abarokiwa niko bono bagochi gwikaransira matemu ayo askuru ase county ya Nyamira bune kubwatia bali bagwikaransira matemu KCSE na abarokiwa chiribu 24 chimisano nemo na 11 KJSea abarokiwa chiribu 12 chimi ibere na kianda halia kepsea abarokiwa chiribu 12 chimisano na ibere 53 noyomo halia keilea abarokiwa 25 noyomo halia keplea abarokiwa kianda murikito Steven Nyari Kembunde agotumanya senchero wikirana
Chinsa 12 hase container ya Nyamira South nigo yegorwa bene container ya matemwa no county commissioner Erastus Mbui amo no moteneri wechisemi Nyamira Joshua Kaga na bateneri bande bechisemi kaukwanekere kioni go mo county commissioner Erastus Mbui aina kiringa matemwa KCSE kipsea kichisea kirea na kiprea igo acha kirebene na kwendera buya.
Tumeanzisha leo mitihani yote katika kaunti nzima tukiwa kwa kituo cha kusambazia mitihani cha Nyamira South. Asogotemu wa kipsea nigo aborokiwa wetane chiribu 12 baraikaranso kuo ekero amatemu akechisea arachikobaga wikaranswa naborokiwa chiribu 12 boigo ekero amatemu hakiprea arachigo ikaranswa naborokiwa kianda kira amatemu ari akire arachigo ikaranswa naborokiwa 25 nomo KJSea kipsea Claire na Kiplea. Hizo kwa idadi ya watu ambao ama watainiwa ambao tuko nao katika hizi mitihani KCSE tuko na candidates 21,611 katika vituo 195 zikijumuisha 4 za kibinafsi na 191 za umma. KJSea tuko na wanafunzi 17,209 ambapo tuko na vituo vya kufanyia hiyo mitihani 455 kati yamo ikiwa ni 47 za kibinafsi na 408 za umma. KPSEA tuko na watainiwa 17,786 ambapo pia tuko na vituo za kibinafsi 104 na zile za umma 406. Kwa jumla vituo vya kufanyia hiyo mitihani ni 510. CLEA ama ile inaitwa Kenya Intermediate Level Education Assessment, tuko na watainiwa 26 wakiwemo 17 wa kiume na 9 wa kike, ambapo tuko na vituo vya kufanyia hiyo mitihani 11 vyote vikiwa ni vya umma, na pia ile ingine tunaita KIPLEA ambayo ni Kenya Pre-Vocational Level Education Assessment. Tuko na watainiwa 9 wakiwemo wanawake mmoja, mwanamke mmoja.
Kaukwanekere kioni igo abekire segete nenga nigo bare maiso kwenekinga webi wa matemburgo chikobaroro ekero bari barachigotoka so webi wa matembora irwege tambukire getindi.
Ni onyo tu kwamba serikali inatilia maanani sana ubora wa elimu yetu na dhamana ya vyeti ambavyo vinatolewa na kutokana na mitihani ambayo tunafanya katika nchi, ili tuweze kuwa na kile tunasema credibility kwa kizungu, na ile cheti tunapeana iwe inaweza kudhaminiwa zaidi katika maeneo yote ama ulimwenguni.
Arena matemu aria makoroni ga matemu hakipsea na kichisea atachigotwara abanyanyimbo hasekerianga na matemu akurigereria kurototo mwana kira matemu ya KCSE arachigotwara abo bisababire abarachikone kingo burendi nkonyara ko bogotingigwa
tayari katika mitihani ya grade 9 na grade 6. Hatutakuwa tumeweka askari, lakini askari wako macho, japokuwa watakuwa kwa mashule, lakini wanafuatilia kwa karibu ili kuhakikisha hakuna undanganyifu unatokea mahali popote. Zile za kidato cha 4 tumepanga vile mikakati itakuwa, na askari wako kwa vituo vile inavyostahili. Kila shule inatakiwa kuwa na askari wawili.
Inseye karikira mwenye ni gogotemu wa KIPSEA na KCSEA kora chake ritkoria rero kwenekinga nigo bachakire gosiorio gotangani hanene mono gaso kwigurwa kwa matemu ayaga manene. Kurwe kaunti ya Nyamira kingo reporter Nsoko TV Letera Nyariki Steven Embunde.
Miono murikito Steven Nyariki Embunde mwanchu murigiri ayukaga ndrete tukobaganiria amaya aborki wabo bebirasi bibyonsi barigete kwikaransira matemu aba manene umwakoiga tukusuka busiasa roboti ronde habarai ao nigo bono baikirana senka ya Nyagusira Simeon Nyachae elio komwenia Nyagusira Mary Basweti Nyachae matangayo nigo bona harokana ko bano botwerero bonene maiga ya siasa gutuguterware nigo bono ko bairira bana siasa abo baikirana gukwana chinkwana cyokoremia na gotanga chimeme chiabo kurwaso gukwana siasa abange nigo bono bamotoge Nyagusira Mary Basweti hasoko bomosubati utabwate mangana mange na ende hoyo bwate omukia igatia barai baikirana ngamono mokonyi bo gavana wa kaunti ya Kisii Mheshimiwa Elijah Obebo, mjumbe wa nsemo bunge Nyaribari Chachu Mheshimiwa Zaire Janda amono mwakilishi wa basubati kurase kaunti yo Mheshimiwa Doris Donya Aburi abubono barwa engora yabo gucia senkeyo muri kito weekly forenge agotumanya senkero wikira
Nasa matanga yoko mwenye umongi na Mary Basweti Nyachae uyuere mwesi konya Nyagusira Simeon Nyachae uyoka bero mojumbo mokoro bwansemo ya bunga Nyaribari Chache umongi na Mary Basweti nigo asirete bugima bwaye chi kisato chaitire litukulia rero nigo abekirwa so gutimuka kwaye asenka yaye yo boiburwa nyonsi ya Nyaribari Chache county ya Kisii
ase familia aso mochio Nyachae pole sana
sumongi no Minto Grace sabana ba Minto Charles okulu wako konene tuwasiri musubati Mintoga.
Tena naleta rambirambi zetu kama kanisa kwa jamii ya mzee Nyachae, wote wajukuu walio hapa. Mama Grace tunasema ni asante na poleni tena.
Mpumzishe kwa amani na aendelee kubariki familia ya mzee wetu. Alinde familia, alinde watoto.
Bale baikirana senkeyo eliko mulera omongi na Mary Basweti ikaba motogia kabo monto muya nendo utabwate mangana mange.
Maria had such dignity that unless you were a very, very close friend, you would never know the challenges that she was facing. She was proud.
Asa matanga yoni go siasa chatu guterware abo asaba matanga yobotwererwa bonene abo asekero murai uliwe gwali bagenda nyakabaga gukwana atanga bikoba byaye kurwa soko kwana siasa.
Tumekuja kwa mazishi na naomba kwa heshima kubwa wale wote ambao wako hapa tukumbuke leo ni mazishi, mambo ya siasa tuweke kando. Let us give this family heshima, kwa sababu kama unataka kufanya siasa, wewe tafuta kiwanja, panga mkutano yako, panga matanga yako, fanya mambo yako.
Guide your steps
n'abantu baitu be familia yonsi Kisii County Nyosia yonsi, poleni mkitoka hapa, Mungu awajalie mema.
Tebyo monenya sabale ndabagate komukunya ko enyu mwana yokulukumeli.
Onyana boni gomo senata bwe county ya Nyamira omusiko kongo mogeni anyorera libaga gyankyo abugo asaiba bagelyo na gokwana siasa nkaigo asaba sababara ibonsi gwanjira na kinse mwebire cha one term na two term na gwetanga kurwase gisegi asamatanga
ngosabande nga uno musi ongo sabongo mwikoyu na endo joto kune uno moga ka uburo ginga terete leadership gego cha imo kabno. Why should we fight? Politics is not about fighting. We know that in politics we can never all belong to one side. Multi-party inasema zaidi jianda mjumbe wangu nimemuona, mama county nimemuona, au wanakuwa kwa hiyo pande nyingine. Na mimi kama senator Nyamira Okongo Mogeni, katiba yangu inaruhusu nikuwe kwa Fred Okengo Matiang'i.
Nigo Charles Nyachae airali bagelu ya bene eliko bakira ngambu ya mono abara ibonsi abo baye sirire nkeyo korwa yanyora toba kongo chibikisa za chae tire.
Context of medical attention, let me give a special thanks to my cousin Dr. Margaret Sika, each one of you. Senator Asante, I don't have stronger words. That this field where we are, we want to say thank you very much to the owners of this field for allowing us to use it. Again, we don't take it for granted.
Bono obo toereli obwane kiwasa matanga yono buya na igo abana siasa bonsi nigo babwenderete kwege mu bwekano yo na gwetanga kurwasa gisegi asa matanga yinko reporter ya Ensoko TV kurwa Nyosia ensemu yebunga nyari bari chache county ya Kisii Reteriane Wycliffe Orenge.
Nemano morikito Wycliffe Orenge na roboti rwa senchira yoboikira no mwanchu morigari ategera roboti rukubwatia abamenyi bensemo ya Kiogoro nigo bono baesokirie na kumwakira mbuya muno mugavana bwe county ya Kisii Muske Paul Simbarati asoko baroseria henyagitari na boiga ensemo yekerero yo kuiborera abana yegoro bwangoiga Onyana bo nigo bono bamochire ngane kagere buna nseme yo nigera chikuru kwa Raila Odinga asekere buna orogongo rwa Gusii ndobwate abanyankonga bange abo babwente kuru kwa henyagitari yubuna Hezekia Nyamao Lawrence Sagini negatia banda bange chinga kecho nigo bono bamuganiro mugavana Arati kubeka homokia bo komenta omubaro w'abanyagitari nabo igo kuba kuba kinie ngeri yabo eri bachigwikirania hemerobero buna ebwendrete muri kito Pethuel Machini agotumanya senchiro bwikirana
Magega yo mugavana bwe county ya Kisii Muske Simbarati kuigora bene ensemo yo kuibera abana asinyagitari ya Kiogoro sub county nigo abamenyi benseme yo besokire na kumwakira mbuye mugavana yo asoko baroseria enyagitari yo eraje kubakonya banga senseme yo
litanga nitiangira neli mugavana Paul Simbarati mbuya mono no mo MCA ito Walter Obare mo chache ngambuya mono asoko bwatera na babwateranire batoleta ile nyagitari Batoro sairi nyagitari erengi ya mono ya kisasa maternity ere ya kisasa igocha gotokonya egokonya bangina baitoga bono ntori go chikonyara ko bato kominyokia bangina go chialise nyagitari ya general
bono yajete kuiguruga iga muna maternity wing yacha hagatu na Dr. Robert Osare munda nero nyagajete lakini abaje renovation bakorete na kutubekere chimasini oro chiokore gasi igo tokura ni mugavana itongambia mono sana nandi gasi akorete nengia
njega ngoira ni mugavana itombia mono asingia yogoto rosiri nyagitari ito egotokonye muna abanya Kiogoro nyagitari ito ya tokonyera yakonyera banta bange
Nonyana bo nigo abange bamochiri engana ekagira bunenseme yo ero kwerie tari ya nyagusira Raila Odinga asikiria Kisii nebwata abanyangonga banke buna nyagusira Hezekia Nyamao egati yabarayibanda banke obasirira baranya ko bakuru kwerie ta asenseme yo
nyagitari yakare yajagete 1966 no mwaka nyamweya akaregwa kuboro ego kwa musingi aria ekorosigwa no twarenge ntoroche igo ntori bana no nyamweya karanya agajete tanyirugetirie tanyamweya igo bono intwe nyagitari ito turanyirigerie rieto nye tutete gochenja tubeka onye na masuja tubeka masuja ito agusiga aiboire ga agusiga
azengo koboria so gwanja kwao. There was a proposal ya nyagitari ero kwe Raila Odinga asenga kieye intundu ntobwata masuchaito ngabuna akwanire wale nkube ko named as nyagitari
egento tokare gukana Raila Amolo Odinga nyagitari eitu tekorukwa ntobwata abanyangongo baito bagusi bakure abande bare moyo batakire korukwa nyagitari eitu gosonye taribo enyagitari eitu tigara koruku Kiogoro level 4
egento tware nkokogani gioka ase oanche oroka baito muna esikia nyama olimpiki oyosire tomoisonde
ukwanekire kyo nigo baborire bono chinsemo chepara imemo chobosongo na baigo chinsemo chinde kurokwerie tari ya Raila Odinga
twagajire chipara umugabano itu kwagajire chipara bosongo chibwate chiround about chibwate street yecho nabo gwana toire yamo yabo onyerokera Raila Amolo Odinga tari Kiogora kiegera Kiogora tari street ene nyagitari y'abantu bekenyoreke
lakini by now a community engima ngancho mugaka ngobatangana elieta Raila Odinga liro seligwenchera ya lira roku tari Kiogoro Health Center
nigo bono bamuganirie umugabana arati komento mubaro bwa abanyagitari ase nyagitari yo naboyo kuba mento mushara egentokera bakonye abarwira sensemeyo
tomenta abanyagitari bakore mutuko na mugaso abarwaire barwari utekora matati yoka twana mariogo ekina kina ngo gosaba mugabana yozi gogo ne gokora ko muyama
my brother ngento tote tokote yonye kore governor emenyete aje tohera abanyagitari umusara tomentera abantu bari chibago tokorese nyagitari yoito banyoro umusara isaine babuga to moyo bwogo tokorera abunu ngegasi abantu baitamba chaga nyagitari bako
kuripoteria Ensoko TV kuroiga Kiogoro county ya Kisii Nchempethuel Machin
Memono morikito Bethuel Machini noroboti rwa senchero wikero mwancho muregaira bono toso ase county ya Nyamira ase humotendribo basubati ase county y'Omuskeje Rusha Momanyi obasirira abana boda boda abamiriri wodi ya Gachuba nsemo y'ebunge ya Kitutu Masabe county yo necheki yebengi eisaine shilingi 1,150 nebire shilingi cha Kenya wego nigatebire nigere bunencheremo yokubakonya ase ngencho no bakubwata sia gokina uchumi yense nabo nigaire chinga kecho kubaboria abantu be county Nyamira konekia bunanko mubwata sia bale na komoko boko hasobachori bori bosio Kito Vincent Monda agotumanya senchiro wikirano
naende na abasoroire kama munaenda kusiweka chianze gokore ngento tokora table banking I will come here nchakora how much mwakorire ngento ngeli kerege kenseye inategemea vile wewe unakitunza na unakitumia this one will produce a lot of money mkiwa watu ambao wako faithful for one another
Hasomo yegoyo abaime ya miriri Kitutu Masabe county Nyamira nigaba abana poda abu echakiye bengi saine shilingi chiribu 145 nebere cha Kenya kurwa seke ganja kiangavu ekia sokwege na kwaye chigo cha kubasukia semero bile yabo
hapa nimekuja kutoka ile kitita ya ngafu National Government Affirmative Action Fund leo hii imewaletea pesa 1,147
Nonye nigo Omuskeje Rusha nigairire libaga na kubakera buyamono abarundi abo kubatekana buna mbarubo bagosira na gokine uchumi yense
abantaba tali barabubacha bagatokonya bagoterusi nyomba nande batoira nyomba maragoba abantaba mbabwene tugosaberwa maya wana boda boda ninataka kuwaombea mema nyinyi ni industry na mjue kutoka kwa wana boda boda kuna economy yetu ambayo inaendelea kukua kwa sababu kila siku hawa watu lazima waende nje watengeneze at least mtu akienda kulala lazima atakuwa na 200 and above.
Komenta nayo Cherusha niga tebire asekeliege kakoe wa kura serikali niga koromia abantu.
Emere mongo kora tibesenko nyaire chine tinke. Lakini I have made sure na atema temire ekeronko yewa ero ya ikera abantu elienke.
Bono olire ira yogo chakoligereria ababuraka elia basire.
Ekere nanya olira nekerokia abangina ababuraka. Abangina ababuraka rero iga na nacha igonta gete kubarase mole mubwate certificate ya ino registered mongoroki what you have done na nchembora kestohochi the widows bagotoka se orogongoro weta tukuonana location yeye mobwatane mobekanamo moche monte ebiri tukumuramo imbato mirabo bisagot mwebange buya
ase enkwana yaye niga aborire kero omonto ekarakari erianyore kiakoria ribaga ryo goikaransa bosa
togoikaransa ntera onyore binto bigocha nayo kweroseria ono gochaka kwerosia no gochaka kwebanga
Jerusha Momanyi boigo nanyora ribaga na korokie ganga yaye yokorigie kerugo kyo bogabana bwe county ya Nyamira ekero chinga kiecho chiraike
inche nkorigindo bogabana na abesoroire boniga obogwimenire kuna atire kabere ekero naga koma kwa kisiasa monte bingende kanchi kobero ono ngende ka ngache kuba kwanira rindu tutarare to yonde mbora ninchendo igonyi gwete nkwana mana kwanire miaka 10 naende ngende kukwane yonde 10 mune gabana.
We want to work with you. With the time, etora gosabe, otogore chibut, otogore nechigrove, toeta makori, when the time is due, tokore egasia monaye.
Vincent Monda, Ensoko TV.
Bimano murikito Vincent Monda na ripoti rwa senchira yoboikire no mwancho murikire tutigarita se county ya Nyamira abamenyi bakianginda igotoka ime ye ward ya Bosamarense mo bunge ya West Mugirango se county yo bare ne kibako gokera maiga yo koroseri wa Ensoko Declark Oyagi Momanyi oyo hoiranirie okoboka ase amate asoko baroseri Ensoko yo nigo bona bamenyi abo baesokire na kumwereneria bunambuya asoko konya hamache ayora achigutumika ensemo ya nyanchogo kianginda nechinsemo chiye tanaine buna gutumanyo murikito Steven Nyariki
abangina mwanja mombo bwatesie
Oko munene gochia abamenyi ba Kianginda imeye wodi ya Bosamare bunge ya West Mugirango baiga yokoroseri wa Ensoko yabere tari miremo hase kabono
yarenge kama tukama gachibi chanto bwate Ensoko yakabuchiru ne bikombe gagochime chisosera chia ichireme abantu barengoja korwara marwaira mange bobega iga bwetera iga abantu ikenyoreke iga bakero kabono migingo ego kiatengirwa sama tuka mange digira gyore duro bwa maji nenda maji na robo gima ndinya moko keragita je no mukaji onya choko na chireka iga kinde no moko komonene asinge nchona iguro murayo ko ngadirka kyo yagi okobori kero kyo ba MCA Bosamaroga iga ward omurayo oberga otogoki kabisa kiagera machi na robo gimotoro seria Ensoko ngiya kabisa ndabuse ona bangina no baramba maite Ensoko yerengiya abangina mumata Ensoko emirengiya
igongoro kwa engineer James Mugambi Nyatigo the agency ekoriye kero kyo bujumbe ase constituency ito ya West Mugirango na into twatebete nganya nche kingonya gokonye kinde bwate birengerie biya byo gokonye constituency ito musayo nkamotebinga na into ebinto biru twasomire isikali into bwene tochake nanka
ndaga ekenyoreke amacha atoborire miaka njera nje nago kiwa senge njo yo mwero minto asokire ekiagere nto tete na into tomosapo tomosukume omwana yo korkudikiraki emoy
Declark Oyagi Momanyi oyo manyakaine munemori igairanetio okoboko gochia ya mate yaye asogokora kogitera amacha yo nabo igokobeko mouto bwa mache ayo arache kobaka okonya bamenye ba Kianginda nyachogochogo nechinsemo chietana ine
kulega kole binte binge mburanja atue nyinge mono ali makutano ase kebanda kia boda kia renge keramba utike kebanda omurayo imambia ebo kakimuna keruel boti akagora mabati na kogogere ento kebanda ke karosigu wetani gone kebanda boda shedi ya nyachogochogo nero na nyaroseti akanyabimorera inse kabengia
emorie yakorire amang'ana manene orosiri orocho retire estari ng'aye tari totana koragusia bono togogete na tukumuganiria mayanya amosesenie amoigore bongo boya unagendete korigichi semiari ngumbwe sare tiganya samo sesenye ande ntumuganyerete mono chikuranko irari
korengana n'abamenyi bororo nigo bakweranga omwe MCA bororo mochore Charles Keganda niga ataroseti orocho ruboikiranu egento kiagerete kuomoka na gotigara nesosera eyu yakoretwe na korosia macha yuboikiranu
amacha yankwana amacha yanchandire chinga kichintama Keganda okiro obekire aba omi bali ko mamba omo buyaga tuguko agashira bano konya tukuna kubuka ne bikoma ra kibana nde na chiete go chanje ngo chikuri go ngakumi ngaine umutindo yo no yo lero bano sibo mokoro
urweke nyoro gya kyanginda bono igona abire no magoko monene asu mwana oyo ne mori oyo no mwana omoko yone kabisa igona arorire rituko ritambe abarari bane ase ngincho twebiruga igenga kientambe omwana one aro twinyurita sensemo ya machi
kubwatikana ne getambo kirekiga gyokwirania okoboko ase amate nigo bona bamenyi baereire ngamba chikomosire gangayo korigo bwa MC wa Musamaro ase omwaka 2027
ase kenyure kuna twake batisa rero migingo gwetera ase omwana dikiraki abantu baito ba migingo bono igona ari gusaba tuchamo ntomoisa kungainwe ngenjiri twateba egere chibese ngocha gocha chire magegane kwende to omwana yo chikura egera tutambuke mtoko tebabo naende
Steven Nyarikembo ne Musamaro county ya Nyamira
Mancho muregeri asoroboti oru ruaya Steven Nyarikembo ne kurase county ya Nyamira na otokonyari baga ryokuira omutimo ko mutangani aiga semesema yakurenso kense mo toskare kurananda sika getari getambe
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso bumugusi onye kubwatari iboryo obosemia gusekero kende gyonsigoro yemerobiri yaitu Yensoko TV twakeresimi ase namba 0788666663 gose tulikereri ukurye email ensokotv.ke@gmail.com boigo nabugo tutarira service ite gutuka samagacho hazina towers egoroba ya gatanu narimo asumucyo munene Nairobi. Ensoko TV uboroso w'umugusi.
Iyo di tarumbeta ya pili ekinege chule ya gatatu wewe oyo kobugibule kiderebe sakogwa eba koboria kajo mongino yako kuona korwa Ensoko TV oboroso bwomogusi. Ensoko TV oboroso bwomogusi. Yani karibu kobegete TV yao nyomba igokorigereria kende gyose getayo yani mokuna nonye ne irio erigereti igoro yani mbari kobwa mbabu atimanga na gwanjereria mbabu atimanga na ariyo kobiza gose yogo kenga ni yo komenderania ebago soki kerikerororo
Magega ya televishoni ya Ensoko gwikasero yao kwanyoriribaga ligi yaliyokuraria asegete sena mbeyemo imena isiko yeliroba liyagusi onye kubwa tokuraria bokwenyoria ogukwa gose okubonchuria bono nabokonyoribaga lyabene liyokuraria asegete senieke asoliguri liyakibusani tulikere gose twakere simigwitire namba yaitu yobonchuria 0788666662
Sembro Gomingo Magara, minto mwes mwenye kitinga simwapeta, muganda goregeria Ensoko TV, oboroso bwomugusi, Ensoko ya kusema makano.
Eye Ensoko TV, oboroso bwomugusi.
Mancho murigaria karibu sana se ensemo ya kabere ya mayakuru Ensoko ensa eyamo mbia muna soko gendra gusangana intwe na bono togosika bosio tukomanye haya aenekiwe maega yeri tuko ya igoro bose maega tuko igoro soko TV kumurikira hekerero kyo bokonye ochase umuruire obubwate oburuire bwa kansa yemioyo oyobeire kare nyumba na taranyora bobweni nigo bono hekerero kya ikigwikana tuko ya lero wetera somo governor we county ya Nyamira Mheshimiwa Amos Nyaribo enyagitari ya Nyamira referral nigo yaire gitambukiro gyo kumuira asenyagitari iyo asobobwenia okwana yo bose kwene kya yuno mwaziri bobo chenu ase county yo Dr. Ronald Mogoi oyo tebirenga nigo barache ko mubwatokera obubwenia wabosa
family nere magega kifinance ditanga ntiante mbiyamana asenge inchu yo mugabano ito obeiro go suguri kera igweteringa neriga tigante mbiyamana asemire mu mwaka liro murweiro ikigunya gitari agando je nagendete go sugurikerwa onya gitari mbagendete ko murigereria nagokire akigongo saba agwene nonye nabantu kera bacha kumwikorunka ni ambulance yamyoka bwango mono igo bacha sobonge ekera barra muno bekirwa sega na babagoka
abantu bari asembiki barwarete serikali tugusikitari kitu njigwa tu wezo cyugo kurusia abantu barora ngo kubarwari kiagara kuna public hospitals responsibility to no hakikisha na wako tari kwenya mambara ubarwari akiga kogera tu encourage kuru mutasa ya sha tegere ekero wali bana batari kwenya abago chabagwa digitali to no bako wali wasibusa twanya ko banga ko bakole bari ko bakaba na ko akanera chibiri chikyabo umuriro yule kinyama ya ale to sinigitari to rero agenda to bajara ruguma
ndagira chirichiganeri umuntu urwalire kansa bwenete koli nabura nyore konyenchiyo yo tugusaba munagaba na murente enyagitari uchakire ko bweniwa nere tugusaba barayi bari bande bwata matunda gokonya ta gokonya umuntu kera kure kwenda kwa gure sanduki kusikwa gure watu ma ambulance como rusi moja
muro no ali nyagitari gigaiga process ya matibabu ya chakire twaendelea gutema uri kitokora asoko konya nera nyale gutwara quality of life nyale komina singijiria edakire kwa na katiba yetu ya Kenya kuna guteba ya manga ya matibabu
tuguskabosia bakori emiremo be posta kurwa soro sagia rogusi nigo bono basoira somogiro kubwatikana na kiri bagoteba buna no gutakanwa kwengeria yabo gwitani metinye tano no yomo gwikabono kagukwana bose bagukwana nabariki hamangana ime omocho bosongo nigo bona bakori miremo abo be murunganirie ogutayananwa kwe abusta gutaigwana na hase egati yabo botumikyo bobe bwechibesa amangari aireire barabo gutwara omochando yo munyakero gobo Job Mumba n'umuriki omonene Tom Mboya nigo bono batebire nga nigo babekire emiremo yo gochia koenekia buna nko bosemba rikonyora emirobero yo koenekia konyora ne banichi loan kurwa se chisako okobati barakanwa hase egekeki kya gyonse kikerire barabokomenya hase obokongu buna gutumanyia umurikito Caroline Mausa
Itukoria rero niga bakorie meremo kurwa se kampuni ya posta batwarire omogiro abo ase kurwa orusagi waragusi niga bakorie meremo abo bakoriro korobekana ime omochio bosongo na kiri bagoteba buna no gotakanwa engeri yabo asegeka kiemetienyi etano noyo mogoika rero.
Office workers, they have gone on hunger for 6 months without pay. These people, their salaries are not coming. Hawana chochote kuweka kwa mfuko. They don't even have where to take their loans. The loans are not coming because the statutory deductions are not coming in. These are people who also have families. All of them, they have lost, some of them have lost their families.
We've really suffered as posta employees. We've really suffered. How can we work for 6 months without salary? How? We have children who are going to school. We are paying rent. This is not acceptable, and we've downed our tools today. Today we are saying we are not going back to work until all our 6 months salary are paid. Yes.
Omo chairman Job Mumbo niga tebire buna obogima bwabeire boko bakongera abakorie emiremo abo 50 abo goikarero basinyire gukora emiremo yabo oko bati bali kwegwa engeria yabo.
We are really suffered. We have really suffered as the workers of Kisii branch, like any other workers all over the country. We have missed our salaries for 6 months. We have our deductions for medical, let me call them statutory deductions, that we are being recovered. They are not remitted to the right place. All the SACCOs are not able to pay us. Medical schemes, I was told they are not getting the medical scheme services. Pension is not being remitted from 2015.
Yes.
NSSF. So this PCK is really making workers to suffer.
Our CEO, Mr. Tonui, the other day he declared profit for the corporation. He said we made a profit. But how can he declare a profit yet we are not being paid? We've not been paid salary for 6 months and yet he's declaring profit. We want our salary. We know there is a problem with the management. We want the management to go. Management? Yes, because there is mismanagement. There is mismanagement from the top. Because we make a lot of profit. Even as a branch here, we know we are making profit. But we are not seeing where this money is coming from. Can we get what we are asking for is just our salary.
Our workers here, they have gone, even now, they have not even taken a cup of tea. They have really suffered for the last 6 months. It is unbearable, and we are telling the management that we are not going to bear anymore. Solidarity. Solidarity. And our branch here, we have around 50, when we include all the branch departments outside Kisii town. Total can be over 50 who are affected. So we are saying the workers are really suffered, and if management of PCK cannot do anything as soon as possible, we are going to down tools and close the doors. Solidarity. Solidarity.
Waigo Morikito Mboya niga sabire kiombe kiu kebege kubaeresera chifaide kiombe kia nyare kwa bage korosia buna chiatumekire na baigo ko basaba bakoria merema abo bande bagendere kobera asomogiro yo guikari tuko barachi ko baba kwegwa engeria yabo.
Some have even died of anger. Some depression. Now, where is this company? We are calling it pastoral. Where is our money going? And we are making money here. Billions of money. We want to tell the management, this is a red card. We are saying a red card. We are giving them red card that if they don't pay us within this week, we will close this company and go home.
Korwa omochobo songo ginko reporteria Amayana Nsoko TV. Elietaria Nemausa Caroline.
Mwancho murigeria no mogiro baba bwatani be sector yo posta hwane kiwa sechin semo aona bego kurwa somo chu Nairobi gukwana no moriki homonene bwekyombe kyo kyabo ya Communication Workers Union Benson Okwara asate ebireti bari gochikoranira mirimo goikabaikiraniwe kwenanwa engeria yabo yemetinye 5 noyomo yonsi murikito Linet nyambane na bwateria yene kiwa second ya Nairobi abona botomanya senchiro bwikiro.
Abakori emeremo ba posta imeyense bararirie omogiro bw'emeremo gochakira ritko ria rero asibatebire tibanya konyora engere yabo yemetinye 5 noyomo ayo nigachire maiga yekiombe kiabo korwa notice ya matuko 30 korende nigo bakanetwe engere yomutinyo yo mubuka.
This is an official strike which we called as Communication Workers Union through a letter to the Cabinet Secretary, Ministry of Labor, dated 23rd September this year. The reason why we gave the notice for the strike is that our members who are employees of Postal Corporation of Kenya have stayed since the year 2021 for periods of 3-4 months until today. As we are talking today, we are owed 6 months salary. If by tomorrow the salary for October is not paid, we shall be owed 7 months salary, which is unfortunate, very unfortunate. They made an effort and paid 1 month's salary on Friday, which therefore leaves us with 6 months salary unpaid.
Bakoragwa ne kiombe gya Kenya Postal Workers Union, inse ya Communication Workers Union no moriki omonena se kiombe kyo Benson Okwaru nigo agosereirio mugiro bwemeremo gwikachinga kibarachi konyora engere yabo yonsi.
My first priority is going to give you salary for all the 6 months. Before that salary is paid, we shall not go back to work.
Ayo ekeragendrete me county ya Nairobi nigo igo abakoria mirimo be county ya Machakos becokire na gukora umugiro ngabuno uyu.
Madai yetu kwa sasa ni kwamba mishahara ya miezi 6 ambayo inajumulisha kiasi cha milioni 540 kilipwe kikamilifu.
Nigo bono bamochirie serikali asokubana cha chibese ichitanya gwaka na chiloni babwata se chibengi umuroberio NSSF na boigosha asebono baorokirio bwoba bwabo baise kurwara nigo barachi gochandika gose kwenyora asa kongu.
Wafanyikazi wetu wanapopata magonjwa they cannot access SHA facilities kwa sababu tunahofia kwamba pesa ambazo wanakatwa hazifiki.
They have been recovering money from you. They recover money from you to pay to the banks, they don't pay. They recover money from you to pay to SACCOs, they don't pay. They recover the money to go to NSS, they don't pay. They recover money to go to pay as you earn, they don't pay. So, at the time we had a meeting last with them, the salary arrears was about 428 million shillings unpaid. Salaries alone, and that is net salary, not gross salary.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa aso mocho Nairobi, erietariane Linet Nyambane.
Emana murikito Linet Nyambane mwanchu murigari atogosukabosya bono toso ase siasa kiama kia Orange Democratic Movement ODM nigo gyatwara igikaro kia bene rituko ria rero iri gukwandra hemerobirio ye kiama ikyo eye magega yomurayobo Raila Odinga gosiria hobugima bwaye asobomo bono nigo barire bose bayiroko boko mwishimiwa Oburu Oginga koba homura intendera bwe kiama ikyo na bari eira yo gocha kobwata sia serikali abomo ogoika hamaganio hari babegeto koigwana hamagani ari 10 babegete koigwana gati ye kiama ikyo ODM na keri kia UDA bune nchira moyo kogendereria omorembe na bomo imeyense.
Endorse Honorable Dr. Oburu Oginga as the new acting party leader and urge the party rank and file to accord him all the necessary support and cooperation to enable him guide the party through this difficult time. That in honor of his legacy as a unifier who brought together people of all shades of views and from diverse social, economic, geographical backgrounds, ODM shall continue on the path of embracing diversity and continue the struggle for equity, justice and peace here at home and beyond our borders. That in line with the wishes and demands of millions of Kenyans whose lives he touched, the party will hold memorial services in many different parts of the country to enable those many admirers interact with and with his sudden departure. Memorial venues or the memorials are planned for the following areas. We will start with Kilifi County, will be in Magarini on 2nd and 3rd of next month. Then we will do Homa Bay and Migori on the 5th and 6th respectively. That given the love Right Honorable Raila had for ODM, we believe he has joined the nearest branch of ODM in heaven. We shall honor him here on earth by strengthening existing branches and opening new ones to allow as many of his supporters as possible stay closely with him via the party. That as part of the strengthening and spreading the reach of the party, the ODM at 20 celebrations will proceed on the 14th, 15th and 16th of November in Mombasa County, accompanied by activities aimed at cementing the unity and solidarity within the party. All committees that had been tasked with preparations for the events are asked to immediately resume those preparations, and the chairperson of the planning committee, the Honorable Junet, is here. As the top leadership of this party, we shall pursue all causes he dedicated his life to, do everything within our power to uphold the unity of the party and apply lessons learned from our departed leader and comrade in the service of the people of Kenya, who he loved and fought for. We reiterate the commitment of the party to the broad-based government until 2027, a relationship guided by the 10-point agenda entered into for the sake of peace and stability of the country. Rest in peace, Baba. Rest in peace, our party leader. Rest in peace, the people's president and comrade, the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga.
Mura ibwensi ya Kenya, Muske William Ruto nigacha kabene hitaro ya magendro ya matukata to ime kaunti ya Nakuru hasara oberetie gochia kurutota na gocha kemeroberio au ya magendro Asiritu koria rero nigo asioria bene para ya Kinamba kogenda Mingich murionduko goika ensemo ya Kuresoi North chinga ke chuboigo nigachakia umuroberi obukorenda rina niria mau asara ogusimeka Happy Mary Chiribu Isano hase rina nirio.
This integrated conservation and livelihood program yenye umetuletea na asanti Mheshimiwa Rais kwa kushikilia, that has been launched today breathes a new life into this shared vision, and it ensures that conservation is not exclusion but inclusion, not punishment but opportunity.
Pale nyuma tulikuwa na matatizo, wananchi wanataka kupanda lakini hakuna miche ama hakuna seedlings ya kutosha. Now we have put together a comprehensive plan that is going to involve Kenya Forest Service and the National Youth Service working together to re-establish 300 nurseries in our forest areas and another 17 mega nurseries so that we can generate 1 billion seedlings every year for planting. And that exercise is already on course.
Togoskabosio mwancho murigerio mugavana wa county ya Nyamira Mosnyaribori tukoria rero nigo hamubwatesia mwaziri mukuru Fred Matiang'i gutarase enka ya umweshimiwa Raila Odinga ya Opoda se county ya Siaya herikuru ngoro yaba yabene gochiase ya Mateyo ababwatani bari ba mubwatesia bose babwatesia abara yabo ngamo nomo rai kurwase bunge ensemo bunge ya Kitutu Chache South Mheshimiwa Anthony Kibagendi, Mheshimiwa Clive Gisairo, Mwasenata wa county ya Kisii Mheshimiwa Richard Onyonka na boigo Mwasenata homokoro wa county ya Kisii Mheshimiwa Sam Ongeri. Mujumbe omukuru gw'ensemo bunge ya West Mugirango Mheshimiwa Vincent Kemosi na boigo omwanasiasa Omingo Magara negati yabande.
Nechingaki abarai korwa chinsemo bagendete kumutalera umutakanwa mama Ida Odinga iliokomoremia mega yogosirio mugakoe Raila Odinga. Ritko ria lero nigo egati abarai korwa Sorgongo rwa Gusii baikirana asenga yaye iliokomoremia chingaki echi chobokendu. Okwana omwasiri omukoro bw'obulendi bw'ime Dr. Fred Matiang'i nigo bamwiraneria idambu ya mono asoko bali baga lyokomutalera nonye nabo nigo baenekia kwemanya amange weteranya gosira Raila.
Let me start first of all, Mama, by thanking you sincerely for finding time and agreeing that we see you briefly. And both Nyanza and Kisii Nyanza, this division was not there. I told you when we spoke this morning that every time you sat with Raila, it was an opportunity for you to learn history that you didn't know, or to learn something and understand something you didn't know.
Boigo niga enekebuna kubwatikana no mate obuyaba bwatena Raila niga baraia bange barabe bagoikirana araro elio komoremia.
Sure, I am aware that there are at least 2 other groups of people from Kisii who are coming to see you, grassroots leaders, women leaders, others who want to spend time with you. You have seen another 2 groups and you are seeing us today. It will continue like this because of the relationship and the environment that Mzee cultivated within this area. And Mzee Raila had a way of dealing with all of us. Even when there were tough times, he always had a way of getting us together to ensure that we focused on one thing.
Omugabana we county ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo nigo ainyora obokoleri bwa Raila ase okubakinia gesiasa chinga kiba chengera obokoleri bwaye.
Tumekuja na ujumbe moja, tuko na wewe. Mzee ametutrain kama mimi nilikuwa one of the youths wale wanaenda mbele kabla mzee ajaingia kwa rally. Ametutrain na wakati yake ya kupumzika ilifika, so leo tuna celebrate maisha yake.
Abarai abasae kurwa Sorgongo rwa Gusii nigo basemigo kubwatia chimbaratiro chenya gusira Raila anene asogokora obogesaku.
Those of you who are young leaders, like my wonderful people here, Gisairo and Kibagendi and engineer Badia. Shimia Obiri, the best thing we can do to Raila is one, do everything we can to erase tribal boundaries in this country. The story of tribes is primitive, and if there's anybody who fought that and lived against that all his life was Raila Odinga. If you really love Raila, your war against the tribal lines must be bold, strong, and pronounced, so that we say we build Kenya. Raila was leading Project Kenya. That is what we should all be focusing on. Let's keep peace and keep unity, because that's what Raila wanted for Kenya.
Mama Ida Odinga nigo agokera abarai abo batarire nehere anene asokumuika ange chinga kechiga chobokendu.
I'm very happy to have seen this group. This group comprises of many people of different areas. I've seen the Wazee. Thank you very much, Wazee. I've seen Wakina Mama. I've seen leaders. I've seen young leaders who have got a big responsibility to carry the mantle that they've been left with. Your coming here cannot be taken for granted. It is special, and I'm most thankful to see you and to welcome you to this place.
Kerubo Frida, Ensoko TV, Opoda Farmer.
Emano Morikito Frida Kerubo Noroboti Rasenchira Yobo Ikirano Mwancho Morigeria ayakubwati abono nari anakiwe kurwa sensemo yechikosori. Kurwa sechikosori niko bono tukumanyu gobuna Nairobi United niko barikire homokano boko baekira bwegetangani kurwa imeyense ya Kenya kuinachira hetigityo gochako gosori chikosori cha mameranio akafa sensemo ya group stages niko maega yoko yengera etimu ya Etoile du Sahel kurwa senseria ya Tunisia na sensemo yende niko hegosori bose timu yomupira wa magoro y'abanyaruka Harambee Starlets bagendrete kwe na maigerio hamatindi bose ubwegosori yabo yo mwiroro ne timu ya Gambia ritkoria anke asomora ibwense William Ruto arireira yogochia ko babwatokera chibesa honya bagochia ko yengera etimu yo ya Gambia ase gosori yo yokorigia gosoa ase amameranio ari awafcon umwaka wocha Daniel Omwaga agotumanya senchera wekera
Ekerabu kimupira bwenkoyo imeyense ya Kenya Nairobi United ekiyoma tukabonge gagia tirago cheligene mense ya Kenya FKF Sport Pesa Kenya Premier League niko kiari kirio mogano na kwa bai kerabu egitangani kwena chiretigiti yogo chekosori around H group stages egakombekeria CAF Confederation Cup imeyarogongo oru Africa. Yekura uno mwalimu wabo Nicholas Muyoti nigo Nairobi United kiabete kwa kigitutora ekelabu kerigia Etoile du Sahel kurwe ense ya Tunisia chigori sano nebere ase chigori sano nemo ogwetera asenchera ye penalty mega yokuru makariye chigori ibere ase ibere ekelabu kyo mwejo kabisa imense ya Kenya agoika ase round ye group stages ne kelabu keria kya Gor Mahia kerorengo mwaka w'ibere na 15 onaisato Edro ya group stages yege kombe kyo gya CAF nigera kwa chitariki sato chomoti nyogo cha umwako yega w'ibere na 5 imeyense ya South Africa ase chitimu 15 moche na chiretigito chikosoria sekimina kyo yegati yabo etimu area Azam Korwense ya Tanzania Zesco United yense ya Zambia San Pedro yense ya Ivory Coast Singinda Black Stars yense ya Tanzania Zamalek korwa Orogongoro ya Egypt amaone club kerikia Wydad kia Morocco Goteba kazi ya Chiefs kerege ya South Africa igatiye club chinde na abasubati ibense ya Kenya omupira abwenkoyo Harambee Starlets nigo abaikire imeyense ya Senegal esebagendrete na maigiria matindi kiandage 10 bosio begosori yabo yo moiroro imeyense ya Senegal esebachikosori anense ya Gambia ekasori yo koligie tigitigo chikosori 200 byo WAFCON ebira korekane imeyense ya Morocco omwako ogocha eroni tangani nigo yakorekane tegaiga imeyense ya Kenya Harambee Starlets abatuka bakonye susura etimu yo ya Gambia abono Starlets nigo bane tigo chimakali yoka elibakwenda chiretigitiye yo esentunde tangani inse ye miaka 10 ekereri yo mweli timu ya Harambee Starlets batuka bakwena chira kukosori minebyo obya WAFCON omurayibwe nsomoske William Ruto nigo barerere ira abasubati abo ba Harambee Starlets gochia ko batana chisiringi chiri buchimya isana onye bakorumaka nense ya Gambia na onye bagochikobwa etimu yo ya Gambia nigo murayibwe nsomoske William Ruto arabareki Harambee Starlets kiroyomo chisiringi emilioni yemo imeyege kabu na omumnyokie giata abwense ya Kenya Daniel Ebenyo Simiyu ne romo wiwe chimbero chirichia senior men national cross country championship chech kilomita 10 echio chakora kanete ime ya Eldoret City Club maigayo kutumeka chita kemeronge 3 ne second emeronge 45 onaisato Nicholas Kegei nigakore to yo kabere maigayo kutumeka chita ka emeronge 3 ne second emeronge 5 onaibere Simeon Kangatha akabaka okora oyo gatatu achimbere chio chech kilomita 10 ensemo oyaba sacha sasemo yaba subati achimbere chirichie kilomita 5 nemo esibali barense ye myaka emeronge 2 Omusubati Cynthia Chepkemei nigabete ko baga kwimokyo Nyangongo mega ayo kumnyoka asichimbere cyo cha National Cross Country Championship cyakorekanete imeyense meria ya Eldoret ase ensemo yende Rona Cherono onero bwete chimbere cyo kilomita 5 nemo nabayigo omnyokie giata Kelvin Kiprop akabwa chimbere cyo kiri kilomita 5 onaisato chimbero cyo kilomita 10 cy'abasubati kikabacho chikobu na Brilliant Chipkorere oyo koru sense meria ya Kenya Prison Services asatu mwete kemeronge 3 ne second emeronge 2 na kianda Dorin Chipkoeche akakora oyo kabere mege kutumeka chite kemeronge 3 ne second emeronge 3 na ibere SDays ndiwa koru sekango keria Kenya National Police Service abeteka okora libaga aliaga 3 na ase chimbero chichechi kilomita 2 niko cyabwete no munyokie giata Emmanuel Wanyonyi uyero mu wiwe chimbero chimita chimesa no 3 chimbero chicha World Athletic Championship ece cyakorekana ime ya Tokyo Japan amatukama kaera Ensoko TV Chigosori inchenkoro kwa Daniel Omwaga
Manchumurigaria chinsa ibere chia tukire chia bono marogoba kuwa kirambu ya mona sogo sangana into asemesema yakuru ensoke ensemo rodo ikira umweri ogaiga kuba kirambu ya mona bariki baito bonsi ba mangana baine kyankobeka bare kambi na koya sangeria senchirengia na aya soko ira chinga kichago koya tengera mangana iga gwetera segeta seni kiago Yensoko TV gekora chinsa isato ninchikore na gaiga to sange ayaga amo na yanda mange nchenkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi gendra gutwaro borigerio bya wemero beria gendata sembeo Yensoko TV